Hello, my 4th and 5th graders. So this lesson, you may have done it over the years or you may have not. It's a super fun one. It's one of my favorite lessons to do. So you're going to take a piece of paper. Hopefully you have like an 8.5 by 11 Xerox copy paper, and you're going to fold it up. You want the open top to be at the top. That's very important for this lesson. So this, where you folded it, needs to be the top, okay? Should face up. The next thing you're gonna do, if you can't draw in cursive, write in cursive, no big deal, you can just write your name, but it's important to have uppercase and lowercase. It makes it more interesting. So Mrs. Hink is going to write her name, and I'm gonna go upper, and lower. You want some of the letters to be up, and you want some of the letters to be low. So you can see some of them come up to the top, and then some of them go in the middle, because you want that variety to make this creative. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut where the open is. Remember that, that's very important. If you didn't do the open when you drew it, just turn it over. Make sure the open's at the top. I'm going to trim around the contour shape of my work, my name. I'm going to go down into the letters as well. Again, the more shape that you cut out, the more creative this will be. So I've just gone around and I've cut that space around the top of my name. When I open it up, it can be an alien with a flat head at the top with some arms hanging out and there's its feet, or I can make the alien at the top here, the neck, a hand, a foot. So you have to decide what you want as the top or the bottom. Next step, I'm going to take my pencil and I'm only drawing on half of the alien to begin with. I can also outline this fun shape here to get me started. Remember, only draw in half. I would exaggerate the features. Remember, the features are the eyes, nose, and mouth. Now you can add as many details as you want or keep it pretty simple. So that is step number 3. Step number 4, I'm going to fold it in half again, and I'm going to burnish. You remember what burnishing is. We're transferring what we've drawn on this side to the opposite side. So when I burnish, now, when you have it on a flat table, you're going to be able to do a lot more pressure than Mrs. Hink is on the board here. So it's going to begin to transfer. Voila! it's gonna lightly transfer what I've drawn here over here. You're gonna take your pencil and you're gonna re-outline. If you can't see it at all, then you haven't burnished hard enough. Take those handles of the scissors and rub it really hard. And then it should give you a light copy. And then you're gonna retrace it. As you can see, I have a fun, silly alien from my name. Step number 1, fold your paper. Step number 2, write your names with capital and lowercase. Step number 3, cut around the shape of your name. Step number 4, open it. You're only drawing on half of your alien to begin with. Then you're going to, step number 5, you're going to burnish. Remember, with the handles of scissors. Take your scissors. You got to rub pretty hard. Use those muscles. When you open that, remember, you're going to get a light copy of what we've drawn on one side to the other. You're going to retrace it dark, and then the fun part is you get to color it in. So this is lesson 4.